Meet the team Skybreakers, a multidisciplinary group bringing tech and creativity together. Sajid Hassan from Chuet Mechanical Engineering leads hardware, software integration, and automation. Ronald Deshprangon from Boyd Chemical Engineering drives UI UX and campaign design. Maimuna Tasneem from Just Chemical Engineering leads user research and market analysis. And I myself, Adid Rahman from Chuet CSC, leading core AI, backend, and deployment. Together, we're building technology that empowers small business to rise. For moving to the problem statement, let's take a look at a story.
Meet Fahim, a dedicated baker who pours his heart into every loaf. He works tirelessly day in and day out, crafting delicious treats. But there's a problem. Fahim struggles with social media. He has a Facebook page, but he doesn't know how to post. What to share, how to connect with customers, it's all a mystery. As a result, his business isn't growing as he hoped. This leaves him feeling upset and frustrated. Fahim just wants to share his passion and reach more people. If only he could find the right way to showcase his bakery magic.
It's not just fine, but in our present situation, only 23% of small businesses can afford professional marketing help. Social media management can cost a lot, which is far beyond small business budgets. Small business owners are overwhelmed, and that is where Rira comes in. Meet Rira, our new AI social media assistant. Now, why we choose Rira as our solution? That's because it delivers flawless brand alignment across all visuals. It's an intuitive chat-based editing platform for quick adjustments, and it supports high-quality, scalable exports at 4K or 8K, whatever you want. And it posts automatically in synchronization with social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, or Instagram. And moreover, it manages branded photographs with synchronized name and logo. It runs monthly marketing campaigns effortlessly. And last but not the least, it replaces your workload of daily page management. Then the question is, how can we use Rira? It's easy and simple. Now, how consumers really interact with our platform? At first, the user logs in to the Rira interface, and then he enters the brand name and short description. And then he selects his preferred colors and style options, and then he synchronizes his social media accounts for automated posting, and then he can start a conversation to specify the requirements. And after that, he can decide what to post, how to post, and when to post. Rira creates and schedules content accordingly. So that's Rira, all-in-one platform that simplifies a brand's digital workflow. Next, I shall be showing you the architectural diagrams. While going through the architectural diagrams, I request you to pause and understand the diagrams carefully. The high-level system architecture, the complete AI tools orchestration diagram, the photocard generation flow diagram, the user request flow. Now I shall walk you through our prototype. Meet Rira, your AI-powered social media assistant. Let's dive in and see how it works. Once we are signed in, Rira welcomes us with a simple prompt. What's on your agenda today? Now let's set our brand identity first. We can manually set our brand identity from here. I have already pre-filled all the information, including identity, colors, typography, and instructions. So Rira already knows our event identity, description, and purpose, so everything it generates stays aligned with our brand voice. Now, before we start creating content, let's connect to our social media platform. It's already connected. Rira supports Facebook and will soon integrate with Instagram and Telegram. All right, so let's get started. So yeah, Rira instantly recognizes my brand and asks for what type of announcement we are planning. And then I ask it to prepare a poster for the final hackathon day, including the date. It's creating a photo card. Amazing. Rira understands the request, applies the brand style, and within seconds, it generates a beautifully designed photograph. Notice that it follows the instructions that we put in our brand profile earlier. Now let us make a quick edit by asking Rira to change the event dates and move the logo to the top left corner. Perfect. Rira understands the request and generates the updated version while keeping the design perfectly consistent. Now let's try one more tweak by asking it to make the logo larger in size. And done. That's the power of conversational design. No Photoshop, no templates, no Canva, just plain natural language. And finally, I can schedule this post and Rira will handle everything. All right, we can now confirm it. Perfect. As you have saved the draft, the post has been scheduled. That is correct. And finally, the post is scheduled. Now in our schedule section, we can see all our list of scheduled posts, published posts, and unscheduled posts. So what makes Rira different? When you use DALL-E or Midjourney, you get an AI-generated image. It's undoubtedly creative, but it's also highly unpredictable. You cannot control the typography, you cannot guarantee brand consistency, and you cannot edit it precisely. Moreover, you cannot get your desired resolutions like 4K or 8K. And speaking of tools like ChatGPT, they don't have the ability to schedule or publish posts. They also cannot store user data for the longer term. They also cannot run live customer conversations. Moreover, no product management options is available to them. Now, Rira doesn't just generate images. Rira composes designs using web technologies. Here, the typography is exact, the colors are accurate, the layouts are consistent, and its resolution independent. And here's the magic. You can edit them through conversations, like you can say, make the heading a little bit bigger, or you can say, move the logo to the corner, or maybe you can also say, change this to a carousel format. It's still perfect. This isn't just an AI art, it's an AI-powered design engineering. The global social media management market is booming, projected to hit 14.5 billion by 2027. But here in Bangladesh, over 15 million small businesses are struggling to manage their online presence. A staggering 78% say social media is essential for their growth, yet only 23% can afford professional help. That's where our invention can make a difference. We are creating a simple and affordable tool for entrepreneurs and micro businesses. Using Rira AI, we can occupy a large number of global markets. Our journey with Rira continues towards full automation and smarter content creation. First, we'll be able to design a full month campaign plan that keeps consumers engaged. Next, we'll gain direct access to Rira through our chat messenger for instant support. Then comes the intelligent video and reel generation to boost social media outreach. We'll then add order placement and product tracking along with automatic pricing and storage updates. Finally, we'll make Rira even more convenient for daily use. That'll streamline your business one smart step at a time.